Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a product you've probably seen everywhere: Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. Its claim is simple: it can hydrate you faster and more efficiently than water alone. But is this just clever marketing, or is there some real science behind it? We're going to dive into the key ingredients, the big promise, and give you the final verdict on whether it is overhyped or totally worth it. Liquid IV isn't just an electrolyte drink, it is a hydration multiplier. The company's main claim is built on something called cellular transport technology, or also known as CTT. This isn't just a marketing term, it is a specific ratio of ingredients designed to accelerate water absorption. The idea is that it can get water and nutrients into your bloodstream more quickly than just drinking plain water. This is why it is pitched for everything from hangovers and intense workouts to just beating the midday slump. So let's break down the science of CTT. The formula is based on the World Health Organization's guidelines for oral rehydration. The magic comes from a precise combination of three ingredients: sodium, potassium, and glucose, also known as sugar. When you consume these three ingredients in the right ratio, the glucose acts as a carrier. It creates a sort of on-ramp that helps sodium and water get into your cells much faster than they would on their own. This process is called glucose-sodium co-transport, and it's a well-established scientific principle. Additionally, the formula includes a blend of B vitamins and vitamin C to provide a little extra wellness boost, although the core benefit comes from the electrolytes and sugar. So is Liquid IV overhyped? The answer is it depends. It is not overhyped if you are in a situation that requires rapid rehydration. This includes recovering from an intense sweaty workout, a long night out, or when you are feeling sick. For these specific use cases, the CTT formula is genuinely effective and can help you feel better quickly. However, it might be overhyped as an everyday drink. For general hydration throughout the day, plain water is almost always sufficient and free. Liquid IV contains a good amount of sugar. It's necessary for the CTT to work, but it's something to be mindful of if you're trying to reduce your sugar intake. It's also quite expensive for a daily habit. The truth is, Liquid IV is a legitimate and effective product for its intended purpose, a powerful hydration tool for when you really need it. It is not a replacement for water, but it's a valuable tool in your wellness toolbox.